I'm going to take you step by step how I became a millionaire. In 2002, I bought my first rental property. It was a condo that I actually lived in. I paid $112,000 for it. In 2004, I bought my first live-in fix and flip for $189,000. I turned the condo into a rental and I was losing $100 a month. Coming from a poor family, I had a really good job. I was selling radio advertising, and so I started investing in real estate. Those first two deals were pretty good. I didn't make too many mistakes, so I decided to start investing out of state in Las Vegas. When I invested in Las Vegas, it was absolutely the top of the market in 2006. I bought two properties, one for $184,000, one for $310,000. The values went down to $45,000 and then to $120,000 retrospect. Then I started losing $2,500 a month. And then I realized I did everything all wrong. But I didn't blame anybody but myself. I learned from my failures, and then I started buying properties in the downturn. How did I do that? I was going broke. Yeah, I had negative $26,000 in credit card debt and $800,000 in bad real estate debt. I became a realtor in Las Vegas and started selling houses. The downturn was happening like crazy, so I started pairing up with the banks and I sold 2,200 homes in 5 years. With the income I generated from selling all those houses, I bought houses to bridge the gap from the amount of money I was losing from those bad investments to good investments. Once I bridged that gap, I started buying more. One led to two led to three, and now I'm at 350 rental units. That's how I started, just one house.